pepper. How it tastes? Let me taste it. Everything I want to taste. One more salt.
Yeah.
No one taste it. No one taste no pepper. I want to taste the Spanish chicken. So this is how it looks. I decided that it's not going to be just blood-related family experiences.
The community.
Yes.
Is family.
Things Jamaican. Promoting brand Jamaica. Alright, so the stew and the, well, let me see, the stew and the rice is finished.
Yes, the rice is that way. Now I want to just pepper the chicken. So even this one I have to improvise.
Are you gonna pepper the chicken?
Yes.
Oh,
I call it
okay.
peppered chicken.
Okay.
So I want to clean the pan. And then just put 1 spoon of oil. Or maybe 2.
But the stove is not on?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
This one requires very little heat.
Okay. What's that in the bowl right there?
This is a mixture of chili powder and what's the other name you call it? Black pepper, ginger.
Oh, a lot of spices, like thyme.
No, I didn't put thyme here.
Okay.
So
Salt is in that? I never need salt.
this
Okay,
salt.
salt was already in the chicken.
So this one you require very little. This thing.
Okay, so you're just pouring the spices in the oil.
Yeah. And heat for just like 1 minute.
Oh, very low heat.
Yes.
Okay.
And then
So the hairstyle I mean do it, you know. Yeah. Wanna stay tuned for that video there. Oh, my cutting ear. First me I cut ear. You know, say I cook where I cook, but look on this. See there? Can't even tell the chef to turn on.
oh, yeah.
And Baba in Japan for cut ear, you know. Just turn on the face a little bit. But I never see the entire video. Anyways, come back to the cooking now.
I think that it's looking a little small compared
So
to
I can add to the amount of chicken. Add a little water. So you're making a paste?
Yes.
Okay.
Put all the fire because I don't want it to too much heat into it.
Okay.
The pepper, normally we use the raw fresh pepper. It's supposed to stay kind of raw and natural. So if it's too much, then it won't come out good.
Would I need some scotch bonnet pepper for this? You know what kind of scotch bonnet pepper?
Yeah. That's the same thing we use in the
Hot pepper.
So
Well, if I get some of the seed and plant in Japan here. Pepper. How it tastes? Let me taste it. Everything I want to taste. One more salt.
yeah.
No one taste it, no one taste no pepper. I want taste the Spanish chicken. So this. Look there.
Meat and pork inside.
So that chicken has already been fried?
Yes.
Okay. Basically just basting the chicken with the pepper that you created, the pepper paste that you made.
Yeah.
And then that's it?
And that's it.
Okay. Alright, so there you have it. Pepper chicken, cooked Nigerian style. Very delicious, very spicy. If you don't like spicy food, this may not be for you. So now for the jerked chicken. I used all-purpose seasoning, chili powder, black pepper, thyme, jerk seasoning. This is a real Jamaican sent to me by Unique. Thank you, Unique. A little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg. Yeah, it can go. Parsley, basil, and of course our fresh seasoning spices, ginger, garlic, escallion, and onion. And I made a paste like that, put it on the chicken. I'm busy at try start out my thing, you understand? I can't better use the grill because my hands don't close out there. And the coal and the fire kitchen, so I don't know if that's allowed, and I can't better stress right now with the neighbor and the foolishness, so I use the toaster oven. So I see it here, so I don't see it there. And that's a one, you know. This is both top and bottom. This is bottom, this is top, and this is a timer. Simple little something. So yeah, that's what's keeping right now. Okay, so I'm showing you guys the grill that I bought at a thrift shop for 500 yen. It's so small and cute. I couldn't be bothered to use it because there was clothes online. Yeah, we still hang clothes online in Japan. Right, so this is how it looks. It's still new. I haven't used it as yet. Still, there's like a little grill, and it comes with the coal. You can get the charcoal from 100 yen shop as well, but this one came with a bit of coal inside. And basically what you do is remove the grill and of course light the coal, charcoal, and that's how the coal looks. Small and cute, round. I don't know what those two things are, but yeah, and I don't know what those things are, but yeah, when I'm ready to use, I'll figure it out. So that's basically it. Really nice and handy. You can just put that on a table and you're good to go. So next will be a story time. Oh, my neighbor want bully me. You can't miss that one. Hey, that's gonna be epic. Irie.
Sunset too. Oh.
Sunset. Oh.
Picture over there.
Okay. Oh, yesterday. Yes. I saw you.
See.
And I did not say hello.
Yeah. No.
Afterwards I should have said konnichiwa, but I said nothing.
Why?
Why? I don't know. Maybe.
wakaranai.
I was maybe shocked.